Craquelure Liquid poster paint. In this activity, we're going to draw and paint a pear using the Craquelure technique. In a paint cup, we mix yellow poster paint with sawdust, approximately 3 parts to 1. When this paste is ready, we apply it thickly onto the cardboard, completely filling the pear we have drawn. We now make another mixture, this time using brown poster paint and sawdust, and use it to colour in the stem, taking care not to go over the edges. Next, we colour the leaf in the same way, this time using green poster paint. To make the background, we mix blue poster paint with a lower proportion of sawdust, gently slapping this more liquid paste onto the cardboard. Once our work is dry, we will note that the pear is completely craquelured, that is, cracked as if it were an old painting, whilst on the contrary, the background features a completely different texture.